In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify one-page checkout. One-page checkout is a great way to reduce friction for your customers by putting all the important steps on a single screen. Instead of clicking through multiple pages for information, shipping, and payment, everything is right there, which can help increase your conversion rate and make the buying experience feel much smoother. Let's walk through how to turn this on inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify store and head over to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because these settings will only apply to the store you have open. From the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This will open up a new page with a list of different areas you can configure, like payments, shipping, and customer accounts. We're going to focus on the checkout settings. On the settings page, find and click on Checkout. This is where you control how your checkout behaves and what customers see when they're ready to pay. At the top of the checkout settings page, you'll see a section called Configurations. Under this, look for your store's checkout configuration. Next to it, there should be a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click Customize. This will open the checkout editor, which lets you adjust the look and layout of your checkout experience. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a column with different options. Look for the one labeled Checkout Layout. By default, this is usually set to 3-page, which means your customers move through multiple screens to complete their purchase. Click on that Checkout Layout option to open the layout settings. Inside those settings, you'll see an option for one-page checkout, usually described as a faster, shorter checkout on a single page. Select one-page checkout here. As soon as you choose it, the preview on the right should update to show everything combined on one page, so you can visually confirm the change. Once you're happy with the layout, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This is crucial, because if you close the editor without saving, your checkout will stay on the old layout. After saving, your store is now using Shopify's one-page checkout. You can test it by adding a product to your cart and going through the checkout flow as if you were a customer, just to make sure everything looks and works the way you expect.